Shooting a wedding scene is harder than I thought. Kakaibang excitement ang naramdaman ko pero kasabay nito ang matinding kaba sa kung anong kalalabasan ng eksenang ito. Good thing Direk Cathy is there to help me. Full force din ang popsters to support me kaya naman I can say that everything is turning out okay.
Narinig ko sa kanila mga compliments nila na parang nanonood ka ng pelikula na parang kasama ka. Yun na the same feeling na nakukuha ko. Bilang Sarah na nanonood, bilang fan. Kasi ako fan din ako ng dalawang characters na to eh. Talagang mahal ko sila at naiingit ako sa kanila kasi talagang natagpuan nila yung true love sa isa't isa. Despite all the hardships na pinagdaanan nila, trials na hinarap nila, sila pa rin na nagkatuluyan hanggang huli. Hindi naman yun yung first time na kinasal ako sa pelikula. Anong feeling? Siyempre, in character ka bilang Lyda, full of joy, full of excitement, na gusto ko na maging Mrs. Montenegro, di ba? Saka emotional.
I think they have very good rapport, good chemistry, very good chemistry.
How they look at each other pa lang, talagang hanip ko talaga eh.
How do they look?
Don't kiss me.
I just might.
Okay.
Tagal naman na, talaga namang may chemistry yung dalawa. Kaya nga, bumongga ng ganun yung part 1 and 2. At syempre, ito, expect na natin na bubongga rin to.
And action!
When life took you away from me, I realized how much you really mattered to me.
Yun yung challenge sa amin at the same time. It's something very special para sa amin, para sa akin. Kasi, baga pinagkatiwala sa amin to ng writer namin, si Miss Carmi Raimundo, na kami talagang gumawa ng vows namin, na hindi rin naging mahirap kasi parte na ng sistema ko si Lyda eh. Saka pag gumagawa ka ng pelikula, pinagdadaan mo yung journey nila, nagiging Lyda na talaga sa span of time na yun, dun sa pagkakataon na yun. So, parang yung pag-iisip mo, Lyda na rin talaga.
Ikaw na hindi na mga pictures, hindi na mga posters, ikaw na talaga. I'm super excited na ako dahil mahalin kita forever, baby!
Okay. You may now kiss the bride.
Alam mo kasi, yung pelikula, hindi kasi siya kinailangang makita ng tao na naglapat yung lips namin or may matagal na kiss na nangyari. Yun ang magic ng pelikula actually. Kasi nung part 1 and part 2, hindi nila talaga nakita si Migit sa kanila na nag-lips to lips. So, I think yun din ang magic ng pelikula. Hindi siya yun yung parang inaabang-abangan ng mga tao. Pero kahit hindi matuloy, okay lang! Okay lang! Hindi pa rin siya kabawasan.
You may now kiss the bride.
sa next projects and yun. Thank you sa lahat.
Sarah, it's always a pleasure working with you. You're a real talent. And in this movie, I think compared to the other three, as good as you are in the first, the second, you are the best here. And you are a joy and a real pleasure.
Sarah, you know what? Congratulations. You definitely are very blessed. I don't know. Just continue to. I know you do this every day, but just another reminder to thank God every day because you truly are loved, not just by your fans, but I think everyone. No, everyone from the industry, your family, and. Just continue doing what you're doing. Stay as sweet as you are. Don't change.
Me too.
I will miss working with you. I am happy that we have ended this way. I am happy that finally naintindihan mo na ako. And I am so happy in this third installment because we were really much closer. And I cannot wish anything more than the best for you. And hopefully, yun, hindi pwedeng pang TV. Yun na lang, happy sa, looking forward to more shows for you and movies maybe and basta happy ako and nandito lang ako just in case you need a friend who will tell you the truth even if it hurts.